Hello, this is the first part of the Clash of Engine series. We will start with Unreal Engine 4. We will use the version 4.19. And the first part is the project setup. First, start your Epic Launcher. Then under the Unreal Engine tab, click the Launch button. And the Unreal Project browser will show up. Under New Project, select a blueprint and a blank project since we will be starting from scratch. We will not be using the starter pack. Leave the quality at maximum and it will be desktop. Select the location of your project and give it a name. Give it a second until it starts. We will start by creating the folder structure. You can add a new folder from the add a new button or by right clicking on the content browser. We will have 4 main folders. First one is the 2D art, since this is the 2D project. Then the audio, visual effects, and finally the blueprint. The 2D art will be divided into 3 sections. We have the enemy. We will have the hero of this game, it's called Baha. And finally the environment. Now we'll go back to the main folder and make a new level. Name it level 1. Also we will create other 2 levels for later, which is the main menu. And game end. Then save the project. Double click on the level 1. Change the view to front and change the view mode to unlit. And now we'll start importing the asset. First we'll start with the environment. Right click, content browser, then go to import. The asset will be provided in the description. You can use it any way you see fit, even commercially. It is under Creative Commons license. After you import the asset, we will extract the sprite from it. And you can do that by right clicking on the texture, then go to sprite action, then extract sprite. Using the mouse wheel you can zoom in or zoom out, and the right button will pan the view. leave the setting to the default one, extract. And we have our sprite ready. We will have to adjust some rendering and collisions later. Disable the grid, and you can change the snapping to 1 so we can have more control. Now we will import the hero character and the enemy. First we will start with the hero character. We'll follow the same steps. Right click in the browser, then go to import. Click the sprite sheet. Then wait for the import. And now we will extract it, following the same steps. Right click on the texture, then go to sprite action, then go to extract sprite. Now instead of using the default properties, we will change the extract mode from auto to grid, and then we will adjust the width and height, and the value for those are already indicated in the name of the sprite sheet. The first 10 will be for the ideal animation, the next will be for the run, and then 1 frame for jump, and finally 5 frames for attack. Now that they are extracted, we will create the animation flipbook from 0 to 9. We'll name it Maha Idol. From 10 to 19. Maha Run, and 1 frame. Maha Jump, and finally Maha Attack. And you can see the animation playing in the editor. It's one of the cool features of Unreal Engine. Now we will need to adjust the size, since if we take the ground as a reference and then compare the character to, you can see that the character is quite big. And we can also delete this empty sprite. So we will adjust all the sprites. First click one, then go to the last one, and then shift and left click. You will select them all. Then right click, go to asset action, and then bulk edit via property matrix, and then go to sprite and change the pixel per unit to 2. That will give us half the size, which what we want. And now we can see that it's more reasonable. Now we will go to the enemy and do the same thing. And the enemy animation is very simple. It's only one animation. And you can see that we have the same problem. We will have to reduce the size. So following the same steps. Increase the pixel per unit to 2 to give us half the size. Now it's more reasonable.
This is the end of this part. If you find the tutorial helpful, subscribe, like and share. If you dislike it, please let us know why in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.